Hello, and welcome back to Consumer Times. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have requested about surgery implants. Composition, standards, and regulatory authority in India as surgery implants are an essential part of modern medicine, helping millions of patients regain mobility, reduce pain, and improve their quality of life. These medical devices are designed to replace or support damaged bones, joints, tissues, or organs, and their effectiveness has made them invaluable in surgeries for everything from bone fractures to heart conditions. However, understanding what surgical implants are, what materials they are made from, how they are standardized, and which regulatory authorities oversee them in India is crucial for consumers. Let's explore these aspects in detail. Surgical implants are devices or materials that are placed inside or on the surface of the body to either replace a missing part, support a damaged structure, or enhance certain bodily functions. Implants can be permanent or temporary, depending on the type and purpose. The most common types of implants are used in procedures related to bones and joints. They include devices like hip and knee replacements, spinal discs, plates, screws, and rods to repair fractures. Devices like pacemakers, stents, and artificial heart valves are used to manage and support heart function. Small devices, often made of titanium that replace tooth roots to support artificial teeth. These are used in cosmetic surgery to increase or restore breast volume, such as deep brain stimulators, which help control neurological conditions like Parkinson's disease. Designed for individuals with hearing impairment, these devices provide a sense of sound by stimulating the auditory nerve. Each type of implant has unique design requirements depending on the body part it's intended for and the physical demands it will face. Implants are made from a variety of materials that can withstand the stresses of daily life without degrading in the body. The choice of material depends on several factors, including biocompatibility, compatibility with body tissues, strength, durability, and the specific function the implant needs to serve. The primary materials used in implants include titanium, stainless steel, and cobalt chromium alloys are commonly used in implants, particularly orthopedic ones. Titanium is biocompatible and integrates well with bone, making it ideal for joint replacements and dental implants. Cobalt chromium alloys are corrosion resistant and are often used in hip and knee implants. Ceramic materials like zirconia and alumina are used in joint replacements due to their durability and compatibility with body tissues. Ceramics are particularly valued for their wear resistance, making them ideal for high-stress implants. Synthetic polymers such as polyethylene and silicone are used in implants for flexibility and durability. Polyethylene is used in joint replacement implants for its high wear resistance. Silicone is widely used in breast implants due to its flexibility and biocompatibility. Some implants may use biological materials, like collagen, which is derived from natural tissues. Collagen and other bioengineered materials are commonly used in cosmetic surgeries and wound repair. Yes, surgical implants are subject to strict standards and regulatory frameworks to ensure their safety and effectiveness. In India, as in other countries, medical implants must meet standards set by national and international bodies to ensure they are safe for human use. These standards cover every aspect of implant production, from material selection and design to manufacturing and quality control. The standards for surgical implants ensure that the materials should not trigger adverse reactions in the body. Implants must withstand the physical stresses they'll face over years or decades of use. Extensive testing is required to confirm that implants perform as expected under normal conditions. Many Indian standards align with international benchmarks like those from the ISO, International Organization for Standardization, and ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials. In India, standards for implants are managed and enforced by the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, which develops and certifies standards across a range of medical devices, including surgical implants. Adherence to these standards is essential to ensure patient safety and effective treatment outcomes. In India, the primary regulatory body for surgical implants and other medical devices is the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, CDSCO. Operating under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, it is responsible for approving and regulating medical devices, including surgical implants. Here's a closer look at the roles and responsibilities of CDSCO and other relevant authorities. CDSCO is responsible for regulating the import, manufacture, distribution, and sale of medical devices, including surgical implants. The organization oversees the approval process for new medical devices, which involves rigorous testing and certification to ensure safety and efficacy. Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) is India's national standards body, and it plays a significant role in setting standards for medical devices, including implants. BIS collaborates with international organizations to align Indian standards with global best practices. In many cases, BIS standards for implants are based on ISO standards, which helps ensure that Indian products meet international quality benchmarks. National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories (NABL) accredits laboratories that test and calibrate medical devices, ensuring that testing procedures meet national and international standards. Accredited laboratories test medical devices for compliance with CDSCO and BIS standards, which is essential for regulatory approval. The approval process for surgical implants in India is comprehensive, focusing on ensuring that only safe, effective, and high-quality products are made available to patients. The steps typically involve: manufacturers conduct laboratory testing and sometimes animal testing to evaluate the implant's safety and effectiveness. After successful preclinical testing, manufacturers conduct human trials to further evaluate the implant. CDSCO oversees these trials, ensuring that they meet ethical and safety standards. The manufacturer submits detailed data from the trials to CDSCO, including information on design, manufacturing processes, and testing results. Once CDSCO is satisfied with the data, it approves the implant for commercial use. CDSCO assigns a unique registration number to the product, and it can then be marketed in India. CDSCO and BIS continue to monitor implants on the market to identify any safety or performance issues. This ongoing surveillance helps detect and address potential problems quickly. As with any medical device, surgical implants come with potential risks, which makes consumer awareness critical. Patients considering implants should: understanding the type of implant being recommended, the material it's made from, and its expected longevity can help patients make informed decisions. Checking the credentials of the manufacturer and ensuring the product has CDSCO approval can provide additional assurance of the implant's quality. Sometimes, non-invasive or less invasive treatments may be available, which can reduce the risks associated with implants. Surgical implants have revolutionized the medical field, offering a path to improved quality of life for millions. In India, the strict regulatory oversight by CDSCO, along with standards set by BIS, ensures that surgical implants meet high-quality standards. By adhering to these standards, patients can be assured of safe and effective options that help them regain function, improve health, and live with less pain. As surgical technology continues to evolve, understanding these aspects of surgical implants will empower consumers to make well-informed decisions, ensuring they receive the best possible care while minimizing risks. Thanks a lot for being with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with Consumer Times.